Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Minecraft TNT. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a large square shape. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 lines across. Now inside the middle section, we're going to write the word TNT. To make sure our letters are centered, we're going to start by drawing the letter N in the center. Let's start with a line down, and then a line across in the center. Now from the top, let's bring it over and down, forming a square. And the same thing on the bottom right. Now we're going to draw a rectangle on both sides. Let's start with a line down, then bring it out from the top and bottom. And then close off each rectangle. And that's it for the letter N. Now on both sides, let's draw the letter T. Let's start on the left, and we're going to draw a sideways rectangle like this. And the same thing on the right side. Now underneath, on both sides, let's draw 2 lines down. And then close it off at the bottom. And now let's color the letters in black. And that's it for this Minecraft TNT. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!